In this video, we're going to look at three things. One is, how can you send money to anyone in Nigeria from anywhere around the world straight into their bank accounts and they receive it in 2 minutes? Two is, if you're in Nigeria, how can you buy any cryptocurrency of your choice without KYC, fast and easy? And three is, how can you request and receive international payments from anywhere around the world and you receive it straight into your bank account in just 2 minutes? The platform we're going to use is called payouts.cash, and we'll confirm if you can do each of these things in 2 minutes. So this is payout.cash. There's actually two sections of this. This is the personal section and this is for business. We'll come back for the one for business. For this section, you can convert your cash to crypto over 120 coins. Then you can withdraw your USDT or BTC into your bank account. You can send money to Nigeria and even other African countries. We're going to get that. And of course, you can request for payments. This one is actually interesting and I love that you can do this. So to get started, we're going to try out each one of them. This and this are basically the same thing. So let's start with, how can I buy any cryptocurrency of my choice and have it straight into my wallet, be it Trust Wallet or any other wallet I use? So to start, you click on try it out. So this is powered by local ramp. Let's say I want to buy 20,000 Naira worth of Bitcoin. All right, I can choose Bitcoin, I can choose any of this cryptocurrency, right? But let's say I want to buy Bitcoin. So I'm choosing Bitcoin and I'm going to click on continue. I'll go ahead and enter my email address for confirmation. So I'll go ahead and enter the PIN sent to my email. Mind you, I can do this thing on my phone. Then my Bitcoin wallet address. I'm using Trust Wallet. So I'll go ahead and pull out my wallet address, copy, paste here. So how would you like to pay? I'll click on instant pay, just a few. So I'm going to send the money to this bank account. I'm going to copy it and go to my bank app to pay. When you want to enter your narration or description, you can use this thing, the wrote here, reference option. You can copy it and paste there. It is optional anyway, in case your bank requests it. Don't enter any crypto related terms when sending money using your bank account. So now I have sent the money. All I have to do now is to click on I have made payment. Kindly wait while we confirm your payment. Now, once the payment is made and I'm confirmed, I should see an increase in my Bitcoin wallet balance. What I have here is 0.0008, which is about $24. So once it's done, I should see an increase here. If this is taking too long, you can actually close this. Once they have confirmed the receipt of your money, they will send you the crypto to your cryptocurrency wallet. Right, so payment received is processed and we are waiting delivery of my crypto. So I have received the Bitcoin here. If you click here, you can see that this is the quantity of Bitcoin that I received. Of course, transaction fee is taken out, even though it's still saying here that processed and awaiting delivery. Now let's look at the next thing we can do with payouts.cash. How can you use payout.cash to send money to anyone in Nigeria from anywhere you are in the world, or even to your own bank account in Nigeria? It's simple. You can do that also using crypto. And even if you're in Nigeria, it's more like you can also use this to withdraw crypto to your own bank account. So here and here is basically the same thing. Let's try this out. We'll click on try it out. So I can log in, right, to complete this transaction, or I can choose to log in later. When I log in, I can look at my transaction history and all that. It just require my email address. I'm going to click on do that later. So I can send USDT, right? I want to choose USDT. That's what I want to send, and I want the person to receive Naira in his bank account. Now what I want to send is $100. So what the person will receive is 79,260 Naira. Now, destination is Nigeria, but payouts.cash intend to also include Ghana, Kenya, and South Africa, but for now, it's just Nigeria. Once I've filled this, I'm going to click on send. Then, how does my recipient receive the fund? Is through the bank account. Yes, I'm going to enter my bank details. So enter your details and click on continue. And it also brings an option for you to put in your email address to receive the transaction detail, right? Because here you don't need to log in, you don't even need to do KYC. You can skip this if you don't want it to send you transaction details. So send with USDT, Bitcoin, or wallets. I'm going to click on send with USDT, and I want to do that on the TRC network. So what I will do now is to go ahead and send 100 USDT to this particular wallet address. So I have sent this. I'm going to click on I have made payment. So they send it as soon as they receive the payment. Okay, I'll wait for them to send it. But meanwhile, let's go back to their site. So we have tried out how to buy any coin you want to buy in Nigeria, over 120 coins from your bank, making transfer and receiving the coin to your Trust wallet or MetaMask or whichever wallet you want to use. We've tried out how to withdraw your cryptocurrency, right? Because I'm actually selling my coin and receive it in my bank account. I can choose to do the same thing and send the money from wherever I am to anybody's bank account, right? Using this or using this. Then, if I want to receive payment from anybody, I can just click on try this out. So what it's going to do is going to create a link for you to send to somebody to send money to you. So I'll click on create a payment link. I'll still put in my email address, put the country. Now I can choose, say the person maybe is payment for a service or goods. I can click on fixed amount. So the person, and I'll enter the amount I want the person to send here. Let's say $100. Now I can leave it to be open, then the person can choose whatever amount he wants to choose. So let me use fixed. Click on continue. I go to the option choose bank. I'll still go ahead and enter my bank information. It will verify, and I'll now here add the payment link. I'm just with Jude, right? So I'll click on continue, and this is my payment link. I've done this one before, so this is a payouts link. So if I copy it and send it to somebody, let me show you how it's going to look like. So, and the person goes ahead and click on the link, it's going to bring out this. So first, the person will enter the email address. This is the amount the person is meant to send. Once the person clicks on send, it will show the person. Okay, let me just try this and show you what I mean. If I click on send, so it walks the person through the same process. This is $100. Do you want to send it, pay with USDT, Bitcoin, or my wallet, right? So when the person does that, I'll receive the money straight into my bank account. So this is how to use the payouts.cash to receive money to your bank account. So I have received the money, and this happened within, in fact, under 2 minutes. This is the money in my account, 77,600, although what they are meant to send is 79,000. So probably they are taking out transaction fee from the rest. Now, so this is what you can do with this section. You can go ahead and ask and look at the frequently asked questions to look at their fee and other things they have here. And you can contact them on this different media platform: Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, all at payouts.cash. And of course, you can also contact them via email. Now, let's look at for business. If I go to for business section here, payout.cash on local ramp can actually help big platform to do on-ramp payments. So they're actually helping payment on Empire, BitMEXC, SushiSwap, Go, WAG, Poco, and payout.cash, of course. So this is for business, and these are the things they can actually help big platform to help people receive and send money to the platform. In case you are a platform like that and you want to integrate payout.cash, you can do that using local RAMs. So guys, this is how you use payout.cash to buy any cryptocurrency of your choice you want to buy in Nigeria, to sell any crypto you want to sell, to send money to anyone in Nigeria from anywhere you are in the world using cryptocurrency, and finally to receive payment. And of course, you can use it to integrate into your business to receive and make payment from anybody, anywhere. If you have any question or any comments, just let me know in the comment section. And of course, I'll leave all the link to payout.cash so you can interact with them. I'll see you guys in the next video.